This morning we decided to head to the beach, Ritidian Beach, on the most northwestern point of Guam. But before we do that, we've got to get some food. We're passing on Jollibee this morning. Maybe next time. We don't normally eat breakfast, but this morning I'm going to get me some biscuits and gravy from Wendy's. This morning we woke up and the sun was shining, and after a week-long cloudy and rainy spell, we decided to make a visit to Ritidian Beach. Ritidian Point is located at the northernmost point on Guam, and it's a good half-hour drive from the island center. It's not often that we make it up to the farthest reaches of Guam, as we just live 2 minutes away from Guam's beach central, Tumon Bay, which is where we collect most of our beach time. I'm happy to say that the rugged dirt road with all the enormous potholes had once had to be traversed to get to this wonderful spot is no longer a big worry. It has been improved and paved all the way to the visitor center just inside the park entrance. Ritidian Point may be famed for its powdery white sand beach and colorful jeweled waters, but beyond the beautiful shoreline lies much to see. The beach itself is just the ornamental fringe of the 1,200-acre Guam National Wildlife Refuge, home of Marianas fruit bats, crows, tree snails, and significant remnants of ancient Chamorro culture. Without a doubt, Ritidian is the textbook definition of a true tropical island getaway. You'll hear about its white sandy beaches a lot, but the inherent charm of Ritidian lies in its history, caves, flora, fauna, reefs, and culture. Security.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay. Oh, sorry. You won't mind if I get your license plate number really quick? Be parking today?
Probably right there with them people.
All right.
Can we get closer to the beach or no?
So you can go down here, but I'm gonna suggest that there is a few people parked already. But you can get lucky. If not, you can come back and just park over here.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
You have a good one, sir.
But today for us, it will just be a visit to the beach for a quick swim and to soak up some sunshine with some friends. Now the sun's out and the beach goers have returned. A couple of them anyway. plane stops and they all come back out. Someday, though, we will find the time to explore some of the nature trails, wildlife areas, caves, and everything else that the Guam Wildlife Refuge has to offer. One thing's for certain, Ritidian Point definitely knows how to show off when it comes to beaches. Without a doubt, Ritidian is the textbook definition of a true tropical island getaway.